on top of the world. At feel na feel ko talaga yan because figuratively, we are on top of the world because of all the shopping that we've done here in Taiwan. There's bargain shopping, there's one-of-a-kind shopping, and we're going to show you all that today here on the show. But before anything else, of course, literally naman, we are also on top of the world because we are at the top of the second tallest building in the whole world. In fact, this used to be the tallest building, Taipei 101, in the whole world, up until January, kung saan po nagbukas naman ang taller building pa in Dubai. But for now, we are content because this is one of the unique aspects of Taipei. Building is very tall and the brands inside are very high-end. But if high-end shopping is not for you and you're more the bargain hunter, check this one out. Ito naman ang mga street markets in Taiwan. They open daily from 4 p.m. up to about 2 a.m. ng madaling araw, kaya naman tinatawag din silang mga night markets. There are several stalls featuring good bargains on clothing, consumer goods, Taiwanese snacks, and specialty drinks. The atmosphere is usually crowded and noisy with hawkers shouting and fast-paced music playing over loudspeakers. Pero okay lang basta mura, diba? And another thing that Taiwan is known for, electronics. So if you want a more unique shopping experience, you have to check out Guanghua Sanchang Electronics Mall. This building was established by the Taipei city government in 1973 as a retailer market using the space beneath the old Guanghua Bridge. Originally, the market specialized in old books, giving it the nickname Old Book Street. Within a decade, however, electronics retailers gained presence in the market. Sa ngayon, ang building ay mayroong 6 na palapag above ground and 1 story below ground. The first story above ground is an exhibition space for electronics products. The second and third stories are the new locations for the 196 vendors of the original Guanghua market. The fourth and fifth stories are the new locations for the vendors of Jining Guozhuai Electronics Market. The sixth floor is reserved for repair shops, education classes, and offices. Basement floor is for parking. So, when shopping here in Taiwan, you gotta remember 2 phrases. 多少钱, which means how much, and the more important term is 太贵了, which means it's so expensive, and then they'll give you discount. That's it for now. We have more tips for you next time, but for now, this is Janelle So of Kababayan LA signing off from Taiwan. Like that. We have more sights and sounds from Taiwan for you in the coming days. Also, alam po natin ang ating kababayan Cherise Pempenco na mamayagpag dito sa Amerika. We have a very special report for you. Pinaghahandaan po yan ng ating associate producer na si Albert Bataclan. It's coming out on Friday. Abangan niyo po yan. Meanwhile, ako naman po si Janelle Song, inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!